Florimonde is anchored here. You can see this is anchors, and it's very much right. It's old ship, but very well maintained. Very well maintained. It's loaded. As you can see, that is old ship, but very strong, very powerful, and everything. And this is the length is 39 meters. The width is 5.05, and then capacity is 383 tons. It's quite big, but yeah, it's a nice ship, all on loaded. You can see the level, very much almost immersed into the water, and that is a Florimonde. That's a Florimonde, and this is a captaincy part of the ship. You can see the car of the captain. Everything is well maintained. Nice ship, very old, but very nice. And then as you can see, the car of the captain. That is a cockpit, and then this is a Florimonde, loaded, going towards Le Havre tomorrow. And then it's got a ship. It's a French ship, Florimonde LI 9833F. Very nice ship, clean, well maintained.